Hey everyone, Dave here with an important update regarding our systems. District 47 is migrating from our business and HR platform to the new Skyward Qmlativ. To make this happen, Skyward will be offline starting April 4th, and we expect the new system to be live on April 20th. If you need any records, especially your W-2s before tax season, please download them from the current system before April 3rd. While this mostly affects business and HR staff, all employees will have a new way to reach employee access. You'll still use the link on the staff portal, but there's a major upgrade: Google Single Sign-On. At the login screen, simply select Sign In with Google SSO. No new passwords to remember. Once you are in, you are presented with a tile view, which gives you quick access to the information you need. It's the same data you're used to, just with a fresh new look. For those handling PO requisitions and vendor lookups, specialized training will be held at the Core Center on April 22nd. Thanks for your patience during this upgrade and have a great day. Once you're in, click Dave here with my D47 puffer vest. District 47 is migrating from our
farm.
Please download them before the current system. Do I have to start over?
No. Cheese. Okay. Good job.
Thank you.